Unraveling the Truth, a journey through understanding. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as intriguing as it is powerful: unraveling the truth. Whether you're a language learner or simply love to enrich your vocabulary, this phrase offers a lot to uncover. So, let's get started on our journey to understand what it truly means to unravel the truth. Unraveling the truth is a phrase that combines two words, each rich with its own meaning. Unraveling suggests the act of solving a mystery or making sense of something complex, much like untangling a knotted thread. The truth, on the other hand, refers to facts or reality as opposed to lies or deception. When put together, unraveling the truth means diligently working to discover or understand the real facts about a situation, story, or problem that might be hidden or complicated. Unraveling the truth is crucial in many aspects of life. It is the essence of critical thinking and problem-solving. In journalism, science, and even our daily interactions, getting to the bottom of the truth ensures that we are informed, making decisions based on reality, and not misled by appearances or falsehoods. It encourages transparency, accountability, and trust. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to incorporate unraveling the truth into your conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. The detective spent hours unraveling the truth behind the mysterious case. In her documentary, she aims to unravel the truth about the environmental crisis. Unraveling the truth in today's world of information overload can be a real challenge. These sentences show the versatility of the phrase and how it can be used to describe a meticulous search for facts in various contexts. Language plays a pivotal role in our quest for truth. The way we talk about uncovering facts, solving mysteries, and seeking transparency can deeply influence our thought processes and actions. Unraveling the truth is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action, encouraging us to not accept things at face value but to dig deeper, ask questions, and seek out the real story. It embodies the curiosity and perseverance necessary to distinguish between what seems to be true and what actually is. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the phrase, unraveling the truth. Remember, the journey towards understanding and clarity is often as important as the destination itself. By learning to unravel the truth in all areas of our lives, we cultivate a mindset of inquiry, diligence, and integrity. I hope this video inspires you to not just passively consume information but to actively engage with it, seeking out the truth in every situation. Until next time, keep learning and keep questioning.